Hi, I'm Lori Kelly with Kelly Insurance Services, coming to you today to just give you a very brief overview of homeowners insurance. So, to get started, we talk about the structure itself, and that's typically called a dwelling on your policy, and the number is typically figured at replacement cost. So, what would it take to rebuild your home, whether it be partial or a full loss? So, of course, we want to put you back into your home, so we try to be very careful with those calculations. Other structures is things like, oh, I have a fence or I have a detached garage. So that's other structures. Typically, that's covered for 10%, and if you need more, then we increase it from there. Personal property is all of your stuff that basically, if you took your house and turned it upside down and what falls out. So in other words, wall-to-wall carpet goes under the structure, but an area rug would go under contents. Liability is your protection. Let's say, for example, somebody falls down on your property who's not family and they've gotten hurt. I've paid for grandma falling down and breaking her glasses, for example. I've also paid for somebody falling down and breaking his hip in the house. So anyway, that's liability. And you have medical payments, oftentimes between $1,000 and $5,000. People can get to that without proving that you were at fault for their injuries. If they need more than that, that's when they move into the liability side. We often see that number in about 100,000. We prefer to see it at 300 or 500,000. Actually cost $8 to $15 a year to have increased it that much. So when you're talking about protecting you, of course, we want to make sure that we get that done for you. Let's see, what am I forgetting? Loss of use, that's a big one. So that's your eat out, get a hotel coverage. If you're forced from your home for only a short time, maybe we'll put you in a hotel. If it looks like it's going to be a longer time, maybe we'll put you in an apartment. But those are those extra expenses that you've incurred because of the claim. And we're really not trying to make you rich off of your claim, but we're trying our best not to send you to the poorhouse as well. We want you to be comfortable, and like I said, we'll take care of you during the process of the claim as well. So there's so many other components. There's things like I can add my jewelry, that kind of thing. But I really am trying to keep this less than 3 minutes, so we'll dive into more details with you when we get to meet with you face to face. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it. Otherwise, we are very much looking forward to working with you. Again, Lori Kelly, Kelly Insurance Services, 740-454-1258. Thanks. Bye now.